If you suspect that your Xbox account has been compromised due to suspicious activity, it is important to act quickly to regain access and secure your account. Follow these steps to restore your account. Step 1. Visit the Xbox sign-in page. Go to the official Xbox sign-in page on your web browser. Click on the sign in button to begin the process of recovering your account. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the sign-in page, click on the Forgot Password link. This will guide you through the recovery process to reset your password. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be able to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before to enhance your account security. Step 5. Enable two-step verification. After regaining access, go to your account security settings and enable two-step verification. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account, making it harder for unauthorized users to gain access in the future. By following these steps, you can successfully regain access to your Xbox account and secure it against future threats. Always remember to monitor your account regularly for any unusual activity.